Oh, you can really dance.
yeah.
Smartphone, $1,500. Laptop, $2,500. Latest haircut, $300. Being an early adopter on TikTok, priceless. So, you want to be one of the first mover and shakers on TikTok, but you have no idea what videos to actually post, especially as a business owner, so that you actually grow your business. Well, you're in luck because in today's video, I'm sharing with you 5 TikTok videos that you can create for your business to actually grow it. And stay tuned until the end where I'm going to share an embarrassing dance video of myself. So the first type of TikTok video you can create for your business is what I call yup, nope. Let me show you an example.
Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep.
So the idea here is you go ahead and film yourself doing the yup, nope thing, and then on screen you pop up text where you're saying yes or no to certain things about your world. Now, of course, you're not going to make it all about business, make some of it personal too, but this video is a great way for people just to get to know you a little bit more. I've made my very own yup, nope video, so check it out.
Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep.
The second type of TikTok you can make for your business is what I'm calling the before and after story. So it's pretty straightforward. You're just going to film yourself alongside a song that you really like. And then using the text on screen, you're going to illustrate what your life was like before your business and what it's like after. So I found an example and this is what it looks like.
If you are what you say you are, a superstar, then have no fear. The crowd is here and the lights are on.
So the idea with this one is for your followers to get to know you in 15 to 30 seconds. Like we're talking really succinct. That's the whole point of TikToks. So you really need to distill your story down quickly. So 1 to 2 sentences of where you were at before, and then the transformation that you've experienced because of your business, your product, your service, whatever it is that you're offering. I gave this one a shot, so here's my example. The third type of TikTok is called Get to Know Me. However, this one's a little bit more like answering a common misconception that people have about you or your business. So if there's a question you get all the time or there's a common belief that people have about you that's wrong, this type of TikTok is perfect for you to set the record straight. Here is an example of the Get to Know Me TikTok. And of course, I've made my own version of this TikTok, so go ahead and watch this and get to know me. The fourth type of TikTok for your business is jumping on what's already trending. You might not know this, but there is a discover page on TikTok similar to the explore page on Instagram. So I recommend pulling up your TikTok, hitting the discover tab, and check out what hashtags are trending. So right away, I see something called Maple Syrup Day. Could be really relevant for me as a Canadian. There's also a hashtag called Morph, and that's a trending challenge. So it looks like people are blending their pictures together to show their transformation. There's another one called Holiday Covers, Never Zero, not sure what that is. But let's look into any one of them. Let's check out Morph. And I can see that this hashtag has 42 million views. So let's check out this Ariana Morph and just to get an idea.
You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just bought it. I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it. Yeah, I want it. I got it. I want it.
So it's pretty straightforward. There's obviously a feature built into TikTok called Morph that allows you to mesh your photos together. So this may not really be an explicit, invitation to your business, but it just might show your evolution as a human. Maybe you can throw a few businessy pictures in there. But really the point of this one is just to jump on the trending hashtags so that maybe your TikTok goes viral. I, of course, jumped on one of these trending hashtags, and this is the TikTok I made. The fifth TikTok you can make for your business is just a fun dance video. Because let's be honest, TikTok is heavily about the entertainment. And if you're really going to be a TikTok user, you should be creating TikToks that are just for fun. They can't all be about business. So if you're ever looking for dance inspo, just head to the home on your TikTok app and you're going to see so many trending dance videos, and hopefully one of them inspires you.
Take me home, I wanna ride it. I wanna know, ride it. Just lose control, ride it, my soul, ride it, make feel you ride it.
I've seen so many, from a solo dance performance to a partner dance performance. Some of mine are called Ride It and Coincidence, and I'm going to show you an example of that one right now.
Wow, you can really dance. Wow, you can really dance. He went. They said we've both been dancing all this time. What a coincidence.
And of course, I can't finish this video about TikTok without creating my own funny dance video on TikTok. So go ahead and check out my Coincidence.
Take me home, I wanna ride it. I wanna know, ride it. Just lose control, ride it, my soul, ride it, make feel you ride it.
If you like this video, go ahead and check out my other TikTok videos here on YouTube. This one right here is called TikTok for Business, and this one is how to make money on TikTok. And of course, if you're new here, thanks for joining me on my channel. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you don't miss any future videos just like this one. To ease and revenue, I'll see you in the next video. It's like... everything's so hammy now.
That's okay.
Is that creepy?
A little bit.
Okay. Oh, you can really dance.
Oh, yeah.
I love that one. Coincidence. Baba Ganu, Baba.